Do you always wonder what you could eat for a side dish, a snack, whilst you're eating this new way? Stay with me in this video, and your lady Salome, I'm going to show you a very simple recipe, millet flour pancake. Stay tuned. Hello, my viewers. Welcome to Ezra Wellness, where you learn proven ways to healthy living. This is your lady Salome Adamako. I'm a nurse by profession. If you want to learn proven ways to healthy living, subscribe to my channel. And when you do, click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my educative videos. Today, I'm teaching a very simple recipe, millet flour pancake. You will need just a few ingredients. So let's dive right into it. So this is my millet flour. I have 1 cup of the millet flour, and then you will need 1 egg. This is 1 egg that is beat up. I'm going to need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, the solid kind. You see that? It's solid. And then 1 tablespoon of my honey, and then this is 1/8 of sea salt, iodized sea salt, 1/8 of that. And then I will need 1/4 of my baking soda. And then this is cinnamon. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of that. And this is optional. If you don't want it, you don't have to put that. And then I will use 1/2 cup of warm water that I have here. So first of all, I'm going to add my dry ingredients. I'll mix them together. Then I'll add the wet ingredients. Then I'll go to the kitchen and we'll fry it and you see exactly how it come out. So I add my salt. A 1/4 with the baking soda. One teaspoon of the cinnamon. Then I'll mix it together. Once it's nicely mixed together, I'm going to put my coconut oil. So this one is the solid, it's solid at room temperature. So I'm using the solid kind. That's how you measure it. That is 1 tablespoon, and I'll need 2 of that. And that is my 2nd tablespoon. Then I'll mix it in. Once it's mixed in a little bit like that, I'm going to put my honey. And I will use the same tablespoon because it's easier for it to fall off because of the oil that is on it. Scoop it all off to make sure I get everything. Then now I'll throw in my egg. Once everything is starting to come together, it's starting to form the lumps, then I'll put in the water a little bit at a time. Add the last drop. Yeah, now it's coming together nicely. You see the consistency? It's not too watery, neither is it too thick, and that is how you want it. So now it's all done. I'll get to the kitchen and I'll fry it and you see exactly how it come out. Now we are in the kitchen and I'm going to start to fry it. I have a frying pan, my spatula there that I'm going to use, and then my mixed pancake right there. And I have a little bit of avocado oil spray just to wet my pan a little bit. And you just spray it one time because the coconut oil in it is going to help you fry it all through. Small ladle, but I'm going to scoop it in. Down, lower my heat a little. And just wait. Then once you see the top starting to bubble, that means the bottom is ready to be flipped. So I'll flip it. You press on it just to make sure the inside is all cooked through. And then that is ready. Now put the next one. And that's how you fry it. And you go through it until you finish with all of it. So then you go to the next one. Now, my millet flour pancakes is all ready. Look at it. How beautiful it came out. You could use this as a side dish with any vegetable, any time of the day that you're eating your carbohydrates. You could use it for it. You could use it for your breakfast. And this is a very simple recipe. You could make it any part of the world where you are. In Ghana, in Nigeria, we have millet flour or sorghum flour. In Ghana, it's eyo or atokwa flour. Whatever you could get, you could use this very simple recipe. Try it and give me a comment in the video and let me know. Let me see how it came out. Nice and moist. And you could have used milk for the water, and you could have added flax seeds to the whole thing. But I just wanted to do the simplest so that if you don't have those ingredients, you could still make it. Well, I have an announcement to make. That going forward, I'm going to make videos every other week. So it's going to be this week, not next week, the following week. So every month I'll have 2 videos coming out. I just want to give you people time to process all the information that I'm bringing out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like it, share it, and subscribe. Thank you for your time. Until I see you in the next video, remember, this is Ezra Wellness, where you learn proven ways to healthy living. Thank you.